This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG, and in this video we're assembling the Carousel treat bag. Right now I'm just trying to decide. I think I want this to be my front. So I'm going to fold this on all the score lines. I didn't bring any ribbon over here with me. That's okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the bottom of my bag. I'm just going to fold that over so I can see where that edge is. There we go. Oh, maybe I do like this better. And then I'm going to glue the bag shut. And then glue it. Not yet, because it will be easier to put this piece on before I glue it down. And I'm just gonna set this on the front of the bag. Do have an accent piece to put on. I'm gonna ink these edges and I'm gonna do design on design. maybe it's a little bit more. Okay, I did not mean to get it that. What? Now I'm probably not going to like it at all. That's not too bad. And then I'm just going to close this up. Now, if I had my ribbon, you would weave your ribbon through here and then tie it shut. And that is the Carousel treat bag. Thank you for joining me.